Hello. Okay, before we begin, just remember that if you have any question about math, about calculus, about algebra, or whatever, you can, maybe linear algebra, maybe abstract algebra, maybe topology, um, anything about math, you can just let us know through mathexperts1.com. So let's begin. Basically, we are supposed to find the unit spherical vectors in terms of x, y, and zeta. That's what we have to do. Just to say the problem in just few words, and they just give us an idea of what the vectors look like and how you actually solve the problem. So before we go ahead and let you know the steps, just remember that you can get you can locate a given point in the plane by using rectangular coordinates, which is x, y, and zeta, or you can just go ahead and use theta, phi, and rho. Basically, those are the two possible ways to specify where a given point is located. So, okay, just to do a quick review, if you have only rho, theta, and phi, and you want to get x, y, and zeta, these are the formulas that you can use. And about the actual solution, let's begin with the step number 1. On the step number 1, you need to get E rho. So basically, E rho is just gonna be in the same direction than the original vector. So what I mean by that is this. Basically, if you have your vector in this direction, E rho is gonna go in the same direction. So E rho is just gonna be the sum of the vectors in terms of x, y, and zeta. Now, just remember. Now for the step 2, just remember polar coordinates. We have in polar coordinates we have an e theta as well. Basically, that is a vector which is perpendicular to this guy, and that vector that you got in polar coordinates is exactly the same in spherical coordinates, because it doesn't have a zeta coordinate. And finally, if you want to get phi, you're just gonna cross multiply those two vectors that we just computed, and that's it. So do you think that you can solve the problem by yourself? Do you can feel the details?